Hi again, welcome back to Modeliks. In this video you will learn how to add new employees in Modeliks. Click the Add Employees button. First, enter the employee name. It can be an actual name of an employee, or a name of a position, in case you have more than one employee for that position. Let's call them engineers. Next, select the employee function. Depending on the nature of the work the employee does, this can be sales and marketing, research and development, general and administrative, or direct labor. Select direct labor if the employee's job is directly related to producing the products you sell, or providing the services you render. If you select direct labor, the employee costs will be categorized as cost of goods sold. If you select any of the other three, the employee costs will be categorized as operating expenses. Next, decide how will you calculate the salaries for these employees. If you select dollar value per employee, on the next screens, you will enter the number of employees and the salary per employee. If you select percent of revenue, on the next screen, you will enter employee costs as percent of revenue. You can also choose to set employee cost as a percent of a specific revenue stream. Finally, select the employment status. If employed by you, Modeliks will apply an additional cost for other employee benefits. The percent additional cost that will be applied is called burden rate, and can be adjusted by clicking the burden rate button on the main employee's screen. By default, the burden rate percent is set at 0. If you select contract workers, there will be no additional cost applied. Let's select employed by you, and click Next. On the input screens, enter the number of employees. Click Next. Enter the gross salary per employee. Be careful to enter the monthly salary in the monthly inputs, and the annual salary in the annual inputs. There are few ways to enter data. We explained all data input options in the explanation video, in the revenue section. If you have not seen it yet, it is worth seeing it. Important tips for using Modeliks are explained there. Click Save and Close. And your employee costs have been calculated. You can make changes to your inputs directly on this screen. The blue numbers are editable, and the black numbers are calculations. Alternatively, you can click on the edit icon over the employee name. It will take you back to the input screens, and you can edit your inputs there. You can add as many employees as you need. Just click the Add Employee button.